Hi everyone, I am back from Africa, DJI Academy Training Tours. What I discovered in Africa, yes, very impressive agricultural revolution is happening in Africa. Yeah, of course, they are deploying more agricultural land, and what makes me surprised is they are deploying by agriculture drone and the power of the drone and with the young people. So in the video I would like to show and with 5 categories how they systematically growing the industry of agriculture by drone and all the smart farmings. What I did in Africa, I want to Africa to train more agriculture young people. And yeah, what I found out one thing is in Africa, among my students is like 50% is the men and women, and they show the equivalence. So this time I was in Kenya, I give 2 training, and 1 training in Nigeria, Lagos, and the last training was in the Tanzania. So we met with a regulator, we train the young people. Yeah, they're really smart, all the young people, and they are empowering the industries with the help of like women, young. So we bring it back and we develop properly with the help of agriculture drone industry, with the help of our DJI Academy courses. So not just like agriculture drone like spray spreading, and also maybe multi-structure technologies and how we monitor and scout our crop and farms. Let's talk about growing Africa. So with the help of these agriculture drones in Africa, they are bringing all the young people to the industry, creating high-end jobs. Yeah, Africa is growing very systematically by the help of technology, not just developing land, but also systematically by the smart farm, smart farming, precision application, and with the help of all young people. These are very optimistic point, and this is very creative. And then not like among young people, what about the women involvement in the industries? I would like to share more things about women empower the industry as well. The woman is heavily come to the analysis and data plannings, and not just also even the pilot jobs. They are there. So yeah, is very potential, and also that exactly as expected in Africa. In Africa, many women is getting more involved in every sector, in every industry. So this is good progress. They are also a part of our agriculture drone industry, and I see they're even much sharper. The way they plan and very details for mission planning. That's really smart for me. Okay, let's talk about smart farming. So instead of traditional method, which is not efficient and too much struggling and painful, now we go for smart farming. In a short time, you just fly out your drone and you monitor your crops, what's happening and what you have to do, and you can come out with the proper result. You transfer to the application drone. The drone will do the job as required by the crop and as required by the plants and individual parts. So that's how saving agriculture and both saving your money, increase productivity and yield by smart farming. I will talk about precision application. By smart farming, we monitor the crop things. We got all information we transfer in AgriZone, and AgriZone can exactly and precisely apply chemical and fertilizer as it required by the plant and the crops. So a good example in maize and corn, wheat, the main crop in Africa now mainly grow. So for these kind of crops individually have a different reflected index number and collect all information. They are variable requirements. So with the drone, all is possible, and Africa is there, and with a professional drone pilots and professional agronomists together. So Africa is now ready to take action to maximize your agricultural input and to increase efficiencies, and then your yields, because now they have the professional pilots, they have professional trainer, they have the latest Agros T50, they have maybe 3 multi-structure and DJI Terra Agriculture. They know very well, and they already prove and how they can maximize everything. They have equipment, they have everything, they have a proper experience now. So we will see totally new innovative agricultural industry in Africa in the next coming years. Asante sana.